I'd like to greet the San Carlos College members of the board, officials, members of the faculty, mga magulang at siyempre mga estudyante on the occasion of your 79th founding anniversary dyan sa San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Masantos ya kabuasan and si kayo amen. Naimbag na bigat kada kayo amen ako. I'm very happy to greet you on a milestone, 1 year before your 80th founding anniversary. Talagang maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon, sa ating faculty and staff and members of the board and officials, your dedication to education. On the theme, sustaining values and adapting to change, very apt. Today, digital technology has really taken over our lives. All these social media platforms, disinformation, the speed within which information or falsehoods are spread has affected us. Maraming issues ng mental health, maraming challenges ang pagsisinungaling sa social media, etc. But the academe is one of the pillars of society's pursuit of truth, society's pursuit of academic freedom. And that's why thank you sa San Carlos College for your many decades and serving many generations of Filipinos, Filipino youth and students. I wish to visit San Carlos College one of these days, but in the middle of this campaigning, ika nga, medyo mabigat ang ating schedule. But I'd like to thank Ed Unson, my classmate in grade school and high school sa Lasal Green Hills, your president, for this opportunity to speak with you. Balbalig na salamat to everyone. Magandang araw.